Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Today I am back by our shed in an area that I would say is full shade, and we are going to be planting up the 2 window boxes. This is always a little tricky for me to decide what to put in these window boxes because, first of all, I love window boxes, I love planters, but we're really low light here. So here's one really exciting change. There is now drip run to these 2 window boxes, and I think that is going to be very helpful. Rather than just relying on my memory to water these, I'm going to be giving them a routine watering. Now, in the past, I have tried all sorts of things here. I've done Tuberous begonias, which unfortunately I overwatered that year and they rotted out, so we had to make a change in that. But one of my favorite things that I've done has been to have a few of the lemon cypress trees in the back with some trailers in front, but I couldn't find the lemon cypress trees this year. So I was thinking, ooh, I liked that lime color. I know I need things that really do well in the shade. And these are the 3 plants that I came up with. So I'm going to be putting in this purple, which they call blue, Browalia. Browalia has done great for me. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. This plant just keeps blooming. I had it in a shady place last year, and at the end of the season, it was still going. I'm going to pop in a couple Tuberous begonias. I love the contrast in the color. You know, these are really opposite each other on the color wheel, and I think they bring out the best in each other and make that show up in a dark spot. A Tuberous begonia is good in part shade to full shade, so I know that that'll be good. It's going to be the watering that's tricky for me. And then I have the brand new Mini-Me. I think it's Mini-Me. Hold it, let me check. I have the Colorblaze Mini-Me Charteuse. This is the color of the lemon cypress that I loved that was behind. Now my lemon cypress got pretty tall by the end of the season, and this can get pretty tall. I want to say 12 to 20 inches tall. And this can be sun to shade also. The nice thing with some of these new Coleus are that you can put them in the sun, but we know Coleus do love shade. The Browalia is listed as part shade to full shade also. So all of these on their tag say they're good in shade. So let me go grab my gloves and I'll lay these out so you can see what they're going to look like, and we'll get them planted. So I've laid these out now, and I'm really gonna pack these in. If I need to take something out later in the season, I will, or if something isn't doing well, I'll change it up happily, but I want it to look full right away. I have 3 of the Browalia alternating with our Tuberous begonias, and this is the NonStop Rose Picottee. This is what I used out by the road too. And then I'm gonna do 3 of the Mini-Me Chartreuse behind it. So here's the first one planted up, and think of these getting nice and tall in the back. Some more draping action. Let's go do the other one. Okay. Whew. 1 second. Oh, it's going to be so pretty. This just livens up this area. Now, yes, I know I need to come through and wipe off the dirt and that kind of thing, but that's not as fun as showing you the planting up, so I'm not going to show you that part. I also have drip line down beneath here, which is great for the Coleus I've planted there. I think this is really going to work out nicely, but I will keep you posted, of course, just in case it doesn't work out as well as I think it is, or I'll show you the beautiful end result. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.